Hi everyone, in today's video we will talk about this Parkside Performance battery, which is connecting through Bluetooth to an application, to how to turn on, because it seems to be very simple to use it, but it is not so. So if you check it, I have half recharged at the moment. I will leave in the description a link for my other video how to set up, but in today's video we are going to talk about how to turn it on. If you press for a couple of seconds, you will see that orange will light up, and then you would be able to see here in the application. So it takes a bit of time to at least sense it. I don't want to delete. And sometimes helps if you try to add it again. Yeah, that's my. And let's wait a couple of seconds. And you see, it is already ready to use. And then you would be able to read out the parameters. It is also a smart decision to turn this battery's Bluetooth off, because it will dry off your battery. To do that, you can press it longer and you will see that the orange will stop lighting. This is meaning that on your battery the Bluetooth connection is turned off, so this will actually save you some power. If you think this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you very much. I wish you a great day.